Hello friends, fighting ke sungtini kaisa female security guard ni bagai ketal kaisa notification naileno. Notification ongka Khwai Government Girls High Secondary School ni bisingtino okrei feka. The name of the post tongnai female security guard na tilangjaknai. The number of post tongo duita as limit hingke oro 18 years ni simi 45 years sunjuratai tongnai tei HC ST roni bagai oro 5 years realization rejaknai. Education qualification ke class 8 pass khaja tongkhe norok o post ni bagai na application khaimanai monthly salary ke oro 5000 na rejaknai application submission ne der ongkha oro 26 July ni simina starting paikha te last date tongnai 28 July 2023 tarik juratai norok 11 AM ni simi 3 PM juratai norok application submission khaimanai hingke norok jara interested candidate tongnai security guard ni bagai te norok 28 July ni bisingono application joma remana tei document tilana nangnai birth certificate PRTC marksheet ration card Aadhaar card and voter ID xerox copy ne tilangai mathangnai interview ne derongkha 1 August 2023 tarikono interview lajaknai beno ongkha Khwai Government Girls High Secondary School no norokno interview lajaknai time rojak tongo 11:30 AM ni simino interview preference ni bagai oro rojak tongo school ni 5 kilometers around ni candidate simina ora preference jakna hini saja inke friends naro nogoi mankana Khwai Government Girls High Secondary School ni bisingtei female security guard ni ketal notification tei narok omo hai ketal job ni notification naina bagai hasteni jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai support khadi tei narok ketal job ni notification nogoi mannai।